In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to become a pilot in India, and more specifically, I'm going to talk about what all options do you have after you do your CPL and you have the license in your hand. Now, you might be wondering who is here. I'm going to for sure introduce him to you. But before that, fasten your cockpit seatbelts and your shoulder harnesses because we're ready for takeoff. What's up, fellow aviators, and welcome back to the FlyTuber, Flying Simplified through YouTube. My name is Ali Asghar, and on this channel, I talk about interesting aviation facts and aircraft knowledge. So if you are an aviation enthusiast and are interested to know more about aircrafts and flying, consider subscribing. Alright, so we have a very interesting personality here. He is a very good friend of mine. His name is Captain Mahek Masrani. I'd like you to introduce yourself to my viewers, please.
Thank you for having me, Ali here. Hello aviators, my name is Captain Mahek Masrani and I've recently completed my CPL training, got my license 2 months back. I've done my CPL flying from Rajiv Gandhi Aviation Academy, Hyderabad, and I'm looking forward to get into an airline, and I'm here to share my views on what to do post CPL.
Alright, so that is the main reason why I have called him over, because he's exactly at that particular stage right now. He has just done his license and he's looking to get into an airline. So he's the best person who can guide you and who can share his experiences and what all he's planning to do to get into an airline. But before we continue, I just want to remind you here that this is the part 3 of the 3-part series on how to become a pilot. I highly recommend you to watch my previous 2 videos on how to become a pilot. I'm going to link them up here and also down in the description, so do watch them out. Alright, so here is the catch. When you do your training, you have to pay for each and every hour you fly, and it's very costly. And once you have your CPL, the best thing and the thing which everybody is looking for is to get paid for flying. And to do that, you need a job. Alright, so Captain Mahek, tell me, what are the ways that a person who has a CPL can get paid for flying?
To get paid for flying, there are many ways to, obviously, people want to get into airline. To get into airline, you need to look for the airline vacancies. How do you know about vacancies? You can watch out for the careers page in the airline website, or you have made friends in this community, so in the groups you can get to know about the vacancies.
Anyways, by the time you do your CPL, you will get ways to get the news on the latest vacancies. But right now the question here is that what are the types of different vacancies in airlines?
So there are 2 types of vacancies: CPL vacancy and type rated vacancy. In CPL vacancy, you need to give written exam and you need to clear airline interview, where you will be asked questions mostly on CPL theory. In type rated vacancy, you will have to give written exam, you need to clear interview, and you will have to give sim check, where the questions will be mostly from aircraft technical and a little bit of CPL theory.
Yeah, right. That's exactly the thing, and especially about type rated vacancy, airlines like to hire type rated pilots when they are in urgent need of pilots. So there is nothing to pick among these 2, but yeah, there you have it. These are the 2 types of airline vacancies. So the very frequently asked questions here is that which aircraft should a person get type rated on? So can you answer that question for my viewers?
That's a very dynamic question. Looking at the current situation, you can choose which rating you want to do, and you can look which airlines are expanding and which particular aircraft they are having. You can go for that type rating. My personal suggestion is you can go for Airbus 320 or Boeing 737. There is a high chance you can land up with a job.
Yeah, exactly. That's the case, because I'll just throw a few numbers at you. Indigo had it started its operation back in 2005 or 2006, and in a span of about 11 years, it just added 150 aircraft. And on the contrary, within just 2 years, from 2017 to 19, it added another 100 aircraft. So just look, 11 years and 150 aircraft, and within just 2 years, it got another 100 aircraft. And this is exactly the time when many of my friends and many of the people in this industry landed a job, especially in Indigo. Another frequently asked question here is that should you do a type rating immediately after the CPL, or should you wait for a CPL vacancy? So can you answer that question for my viewers?
Again, you need to look at the market situation at that time. You can self-analyze your financial situation, since you have spent a lot of money in your CPL training recently. If there are no vacancies, you can't just sit without a job after spending so much money on your CPL.
Plus, you also have to be current with your flying, etc. in case a vacancy opens up, so that you make sure that you do not miss the bus.
So there are other vacancies as well but for the experienced pilots like other airlines, Air Force or flight instructors. Which brings me to the point that you can become a flight instructor.
At this point, I'd just like to mention that if you like the video and if you like the content that I'm sharing here, do hit that thumbs up button and do subscribe to the channel.
To become a flight instructor, you need to do 20 hours of pattern flying. In pattern flying, you will be taught how to teach trainee pilots and you have to give DGCA interview. After clearing, you will get assisted flight instructor license, after which you can start teaching trainee pilots and you can log hours. This is a good way to earn money as well. Simultaneously, you can watch out for airline openings as well for experienced pilots, or you can progress to become a CFI. Other options are you can fly for charter services.
Speaking about the charter services, when a person or a group of people rent out an entire aircraft, this is known as charter service. This is different from airline business, wherein each person buys a particular seat.
Apart from this, you can fly for private owners like wealthy businessmen, or you can become a ground instructor and teach theory, or you can become synthetic instructor to teach instrument flying in simulators. But remember that I'm talking about small trainee aircraft simulators.
Now, there are many people who do their CPL immediately after their class 12. So, what is your solution to such people?
If you have done CPL immediately after your class 12 and you have not done your graduation, this is the best time for you to do graduation. My suggestion is you can do BSc Aviation. It is easier since BSc Aviation subjects are similar to CPL subjects, and on top of that you can get entry directly into second year. By this you can save 1 year.
So those were your career options after your CPL or your pathways to get into an airline job. And this 3-part series was the conventional way of doing a CPL. Apart from this, you can also fly from abroad, or there is something known as the credit pilot program. I'll be making a video on these very soon, so stay tuned to the channel. That's it for this video, guys. I'd like to take this time to thank Mehak. Thanks a lot for your time, and Captain, thanks a lot for coming over on this channel and sharing your experience.
Thank you so much for having me here, Ali. And I hope this information will be helpful for you guys.
Yeah, and similarly, I'll be calling over many different people at their different experiences, so that you get the right guidance and right knowledge from right people. I wish all the very best to all the CPL holders and all the trainee pilots who are doing the training right now, and I'm sure that you guys will land a job very soon in an airline. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up button and do subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell icon so you do not miss out on any further interesting videos that I'm going to post here. Until then, cheers and happy landings!